HoldStrong Family, it's your boy Angel. I am not going to be on the screen today. My hair is all messed up. I just woke up, so I'm just ready to make this video. I want to teach you guys a little bit about stock trading, how you guys can make a couple $100 this week. I'm excited about this video because I rarely get the opportunity to show you guys how to trade, when to take a trade, and I'm going to be giving out some free 99 helpful tips so that you guys can make some money this week trading stocks. Uh, there's some background noise today. I am doing some chores and doing laundry, you guys. I am a human being. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit more. Luis Simone is awesome. Thank you guys for putting the code of the day. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a few charts. If you guys are excited about this, let me know down below. Hit that like button. Let me get a few examples for you guys. All right, so I already prepared a few of these examples for you guys. So now for these right here, I'm actually going to be drawing for you guys, so not to worry, I'm going to be drawing. As you guys can see on this chart here, this is GBP versus Japanese yen. So now actually let's start drawing right away. I want to show you guys. So the trend, let me see, file. I already forgot how to draw on this thing. Let me see. Oh, there you go. All right. So as you guys can see, this is messed up already. Yellow, green. I'm gonna do pink, and I'm actually going to. Actually, no, never mind. I'm just gonna draw. So from here, from this point all the way down to here. Okay, sorry about that. All right, as you guys can see from, actually let me remove, oops. Oh shoot, what did I just do? What's going on? What's going on? All right, look, can I, oh, no, wrong one, wrong. What's going on with this? What the heck did I just do? Do you guys know what I just did? Can I undo this? File, move, revert to, okay, open, revert. I don't know what that means. Is this it? Okay. Okay, let me actually close this and open it up again, you guys. Sorry about that. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to be showing you guys today how to trade stocks, and I'm going to be showing you guys some helpful tips. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys. So this is obviously a downward trend right here. So this is actually pretty great to trade. As you guys can see, it hits that resistance line going down all the way down here. I know it's a horrible line. I'm sorry about that. And then you guys can also, look, you guys can also trade this downward trend going like this. As you guys can see, there's some breaking points going underneath, but it comes back up in between this resistance level. As it comes back up, let me actually zoom in for you guys. Let me, how do I get back to the mouse? Okay. All right. Oh, shoot. What am I doing? All right. So if we come back here, you guys can see, let me actually remove that, and let me remove this one. All right. As you guys can see down here, so there's some resistance going on right over this line, as you guys can see. So it went up, went down, touched this level right here. You guys, seriously, right here, this is perfect opportunity to trade. If you see that it's staying above right here, let me actually zoom in a little bit more. I know it's not the best, and it's a little bit blurry, but as you guys can see, the red candlestick, the blue candlestick. So red means it's going still, and it ended up below a previous candlestick. Blue means that it ended up higher, or it went on an upward end of the candlestick at the end of the expiry. So So as you guys can see, it buffered around this area. As you guys can see, it has a long wick. A long wick is like a tail. So it has a long wick. Obviously, there's a lot of fluctuation going on. Fluctuation means just a lot of like movement going up and down, up and down, up and down. But it stays within the range. So a perfect opportunity, like right over here. Can we add text to this? Yeah. Oh shoot, that's huge. Let's. Oh man. Yeah, this is real bad. All right. So for this part, I would say, right, like for example, like you see that there's fluctuation. As soon as you see this little fluctuation right here, and then you see the blue one, you already know there's resistance. And you see this thing going back up here, and you see it coming back down here. If this is like, you see it, buffering below this area. If there's a position right here, let's just say in that area, right? In this area, why is it not staying there? Oh my goodness. All right, hold on, you guys. So let's just say that, let's get the skinnier one. Let's just say that it goes, below this line, right? Now, this line here, actually, I think this is way better than the other video. So this line here, yeah. So if this is, let's just say this is 1.27, whatever. That's like 0.270, right? So 0.2, what the heck? So this is 1.27. If it's below, like you see that it's buffering and it's staying within below the 1.27, I would take on that position. If it goes up and reaches that level but it doesn't pass it, I would easily put a position saying it's going down. Oh yeah, sorry about that, that's horrible. Going down. Oh Jesus, what is going on? Ah! All right, whatever, work with it, you guys. So it's going down, right? So if it's going down 1.270, if it stays below that area, and you see that there's resistance. Resistance levels are great, you guys, because you guys have these opportunities, these unique opportunities to play some trades. I would put on a position saying it's going to go down, and I would be confident in that position, and I would stick with it. In this, I would be very confident in this position. I would not be so skeptical to the point that I would have to like take out a position, take small profits, and have to move on. So I would definitely put on saying that it's going to go below 127, and then another range. Most likely, if this is like 1.25 right down over here, this level right here. So 1.25. That's a 5, you guys. That's a 5. Okay, so 1.250. So that's, if this little line right here, if that one is 1.250, and it's hitting that resistance, you see that. So you see the red one, blue one. So the next candlestick is a little bit red, but it stays within range. You see that it came up here. Let's say it's buffering, it stays within this range. So I would definitely either put a position saying 125, maybe they're offering you $20. I would take that position, easy money. As you guys can see, there's like a trend going upward, so definitely I would not say it's going to go down. As you can tell, it had to buffer a little bit before it went down, so you have an opportunity to take on that trade, that position, and say that it's going to be above 1.250. And for the upward side, the 1.270, I would definitely take on a position. They would probably offer you a better price range, probably like around $30 profit. I'm gonna just put profit. $30 profit, and right here probably like 20 profit. Oh yeah, special writing. So $20 profit, saying that it's gonna go up. All right, so you guys can easily make $20 on that one position. And this is how you easily, when it's buffering, you can easily be making between $60 to $120 a dollar, $20 an hour, if you know what you're doing. All right, you guys. So let's actually clean this up a little bit. All right. I'm probably gonna skip this in the video so you guys can. What the heck? All right, there you go. Delete, delete. Oh my goodness, delete. Or actually, can I just? I wonder. Okay, let's see. Oh Jesus. Alright. There should be an eraser. Is there an eraser? Down below. Alright. Another thing, as you guys can see, let me actually open this up again. Alrighty. So as you guys can see, there's some. Oh, I can't zoom in. How do you zoom in? Zoom in. Yay. Okay. Oh. Alright. Alright, as you guys can see right over here, I'm going to show you guys resistance levels so you guys know exactly where to trade, where to find those good opportunities. So there's this one right here, resistance. This level here is resistance. As you guys can see, it kind of levels out. Here there's some resistance. As soon, oh, what the shenanigans. As you guys can see this right here, there's resistance levels right here. It kind of buffers over here. Same thing here, it kind of struggles. It's like this resistance level over here. So obviously, you guys can see that there's resistance right around this level. Let me see if I can expand it. Boom. There you go. See, that's better. Way better, so I can show you guys. So there's resistance levels right there. Along the way, you're going to see that it goes down, it goes back up, it goes back down. So these are perfect opportunities to place on a trade. If you see that it falls in between a good price range that they're offering, like I explained in the other position, that it's maybe perhaps in between point, one. Oh, here's some numbers right here. All right, so let's use those numbers. So let's say 14563, right? So this is 14563, 14563. It fell below 14563 right here, went up a little bit above 14563. Let's just say that this one is 14549. Let's just say 145 for this one, but over here, let's say that this level right there, that one's going to be 145. That's going to be 145. That's a 5. 14561. All right, beautiful drawings. All right, so 14561, you guys. So let's just say that's 14561. As you see, it dropped down below here. So this one's probably 145.9. Oh, sorry, 145.59 down here. So the next position you see, it goes up and it goes down. So you got a price range between 145.59 and 145.63. So as soon as you see it come up to this level, if you see that it's bouncing back and down, up and down, up and down, easily, I would recommend putting up downward position on this candlestick down here and say that it's going to be below 1, 4, 5, 6, and 3. That's a 6. What the heck? 6. All right, that's a 6. 14563, you guys. That looks like a little racket ball. All right, so 14563. Say that it's below. Obviously, it went down, so they probably would have offered you like $40 on this position. Yeah, that's exactly what I was writing. 40 for that position. Nice. $40 profit. Not too shabby. It went down. Same thing here. Hits that resistance level. You can probably put on another position. I would have. Saying that it's going to go down. As I see resistance level here, I know that it's going to stay within this range. And then on the next trade, you guys can see that it went down. If there's a good price range for this one right here, if there's, like, for example, 145.49 and they're offering you $20, $30 on this position, I would have taken this. Let's just say 25 for the heck of it. I would take that. I would take that position easily, any day, every day. $25. I would have, 200 positions above this line, saying that it's gonna expire in within 5 minutes. So this is mainly for like, this is mainly. Whew, what the heck? This is mainly for like quick expiries. This is the 5-minute charts candlesticks, as you guys can see. So there's a lot of volatility. There's a lot of movement going on, up and down, up and down, up and down, and it stays within range. So you guys can find this opportunity as something you guys can trade and make quick profits. This is how you guys can make hundreds of dollars during the week, even if you have like a small account. Even if you have a $200 account, trading one position at a time, you guys can easily double it up. So risk only $50, make $20, $30 per position. Take on about 3 to 4 trades. Be careful when you take the trades. You can make between $90 to $120 an hour. Let's just say you keep on trading for about, you just focus for, let's just say you do an hour a day. You guys can easily turn your $200 account into $700 to $1,000 in 1 week. So definitely great tip, definitely great way to double up your account, triple it by the end of the month. So yeah, so like 200 positions at 25, that's $5,000 profit, you guys. So easy money, that's how you do it. And let's show you guys something else. Let me show you guys a different chart. I found a few good ones. Let's go to the next one. As you guys can see right here, right away, you guys see some resistance levels going on. Let me open it up a little bit. So you guys see, okay, so like right here it buffers a lot before I show you guys resistance. So there's a lot of buffering and stuff like that. These are actually pretty great. Just knowing the movement. If you check the hourly time frames, you can probably see in what direction it's going, what direction it's heading to. So it would help you out with deciding whether to get in or out. So for this one, there's a lot of resistance, you guys, right around that level. Let me see if I can get into action here. All right, so there's resistance right here. I would say anything above this line, usually it's the biggest candlestick. As you guys can see, nothing touched below, nothing expired below. So if you see one that hasn't touched, it went back up, one that's red, and the next one is like flickering around, I would take on a position right here, just saying, hey, you know what, it's going to be above this line. It's going to be around 1, 2, 2, 3. So I would take on for 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, and I would say it would go above this line. Oh, shenanigans! Above that line, and it did. So you can take on 1. Look at that, 2, 3 positions. Probably make about $90 just in those 3 candlesticks. And then after this, the breakdown, after it spikes down, whenever something spikes up, there's always going to be a downward movement. Especially if you want to check the 1-hour charts just to know where the highest high is and the lowest low. So for example, this is probably the highest high for like an hourly period, and then this is like the lowest low for the hourly period. As you can see, there was resistance here. Patrick K, shout out to you, man. You're in our video. Awesome. All right, so this would be our highest high, this would be our lowest low, but in between the highest high and lowest low, as you guys can see, there's a downward movement. As it goes down, just be careful because there's going to be resistance at some point. So if you say that it's going to go, for example, like, oh, you think it's going to continue going down, look at that. It just continued staying within this range. So that could have been a risky trade. Just find the next resistance levels. That's what I would say. Don't wait until you find the next resistance level. Oop, what type of drawing is that? So right here, look at that. So there's a resistance level. There's another resistance level. You can probably see it from over here. There's resistance at this level, resistance in between this level. So there's like, think of it as a wall. It stays within this range. It stays within this range. And then you're just waiting for the breakout. So be very careful. Don't try to say, oh yeah, it's going to be above this line, and next thing you know, it breaks down. So be very careful which trades you take on. Right here, I would just say, you know, as soon as you see this candlestick, you see that there's resistance. I would take on this position right here and say that it's going to be going above this line at least, where the end of this candlestick is, because I know there's resistance here and I know there's resistance right there. All right, and then this breakdown, I would wait until this breakdown finishes and see where the resistance level. I would not take on this trade. I would wait until something like around this area, and then there's another breakdown. It goes up and then it goes back down. I would still not trade this right here. I would probably, if I see that there's resistance, that it's pushing, whoa, Then I see that it's pushing upwards, like it doesn't want to surpass this area. I would definitely take on a position saying that it's going to go above this area here. I would say it's going to go above this candlestick. They would probably offer, this is probably like 12110 area, and I would probably get like $40 on this position, just saying that it's going to go up. So $40 times maybe 100 contracts, risk about $60 per contract and make about $40 per contract. So that's pretty good for me. $4,000 with 100 contracts, 100 positions. That's pretty good for me. And then right here, there's a lot of resistance you guys can trade. As you guys can see, the lowest low, the highest high. Just just in this area here, you can tell it doesn't go away from this level. And then it breaks a little bit over the barrier and continues within this new level from here to here. So this is all tradable, you guys. This is easy money, super easy. As you guys can see, other level. Even at this price range, you can probably get like $15 to $20 per position. If you're feeling confident, I would feel confident, and so on. So as you guys can see, there's tradable trades. I know a lot of people are like, oh no, the market's pretty bad, but no. Let me show you guys another one, just to show you guys a little bit of resistance. Look at this level. Oh, let me actually start drawing beautiful pictures for you guys. All right, so that's horrible. All right, hold on. What the freak? Hold on. Ugh, what's going on? All right, thank you. Okay, so horrible. All right, so there's resistance levels here, as you guys can see. Resistance level here too as well. Goes throughout, it breaks down the resistance, comes back up, comes back down, comes back up. If you see that it's not touching this, I would take on easily a position saying it's going to go down. Oh, shenanigans. Down below this level, and I would put on like maybe 100 contracts and it's going to go below. It goes back down, it breaks through. I would be looking at this because, I mean, if it breaks through, there might be a different direction. Goes back up and you see that it's buffering here again. I would take on another position saying it's going to go back down within this level. Goes back down. I would probably see if it starts buffering. You see a red going down and then a blue. I would think that there's going to be resistance, so I would just check this out to see if there's any good opportunities. If it goes back up, you see that it's buffering up here. I definitely know that it's not going to continue going up, at least for a little bit. So I would take on one position, make it a big one, and probably go put on like 200 positions around this buffering level. As you guys can see, it stayed within range, so it stays within this range for a while. So I would definitely know that right here it's probably not going to break through. So I would definitely take on a position right here and say that it's going to go up. I would put a good size position right there. As you guys can see, it broke through. If I see a candlestick and it's pretty strong and it's pointing upwards, and I see that the volume at this point, there is a lot of volume going on, I would say that it would continue. It probably would break through and continue going up. It does go down and does have like a little breakdown. I would not trade this. I would just trade this area right here. This is more predictable. Always trade only the predictable trades, you guys. That's how you guys become profitable. I wanted to show you guys a few resistance levels for this one. Let me show you guys. Right here. All right. So here's some resistance going on all the way across. I like how this this helpful tool helps me out so much. It draws the lines way better than I do. So as you guys can see, there's resistance between this area. So if you guys want to take a longer position, like an hourly trade, you guys can definitely do that. There is a dip right here, so that's a little dangerous. But for the 5-minute expiry, if you guys see this going down and then you see it going up and it goes back down, there's some buffering going on here. I would not trade this since since this area right here is kind of like very small, very tight. I would not trade that. I would trade this area right here. It's a lot better. So this a lot of buffering, a lot of resistance. There's resistance right here. So this is another resistance level, as you guys can see. Let me put it right there. So resistance right here, it doesn't go down, it goes down, it stays within this bracket. There is a wall of resistance, It does break through. It actually ignores this resistance level and it goes straight up and it stays within this time frame. There's probably some good opportunities to trade between here and here, like right there. There's some resistance right here as it goes up and it touches this area. See, it's dying down from this resistance level. I would predict that it's going down. There's some resistance level here and up here, so I would definitely trade some trades right here, as well as right here. You guys can see that there's resistance. I would trade these opportunities right here. Now you guys know exactly what I trade. I look for resistance levels and I trade in between them. I do not try to stay too long. I trade one or two positions per resistance level. That way I'm not in the market for too long before it breaks through and it changes direction against me. So that's how I make money, you guys. Make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you guys hit the like button if you guys understand what I'm talking about. I'll be making another video for the next upload. And I hope you guys like the content. I hope you guys like it. Our new winner is going to be announced on Instagram. I'm going to be starting to announce the winners on Instagram. And the word for today, the words for the days when I upload videos are going to be on the videos. On the days that I don't have the videos, I'm going to be uploading the word of the day on Instagram. So make sure you guys are on my Instagram, on my YouTube. I'm going to be showing you guys all about trading and making it very easy to understand. That's what I want you guys. Look at that beautiful picture. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for subscribing. We have 78 subscribers. We're on our way to hit 100 and I'm excited because, you know, after 100 there's 500, after 500 there's 1,000, and once we hit 1,000, you guys, I'm going to be giving you guys the opportunity to be trading with me. I'm going to be giving you guys the opportunity to make money from home. If that's what you guys want, if that's what you guys are trying to do, is trade from home, make some extra money without risking any capital of your own, make sure that you stayed with me. Make sure that you're subscribed. Hit the like button. Comment down below that you're interested, and I'll keep you in touch. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, as always, you guys, hold strong.